guess that fidget. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get started. I'm gonna put this sleeping mask on, and my sisters are gonna just give me random fidgets. I'm gonna put it down now.
What do you guess?
Magnets.
Okay, what color?
Yellow.
Yellow? Show it.
Oh, can I see it?
Yeah.
Oh, I got it right.
You have to say the name of it too.
Okay. Is this wait. I kind of saw it, but still, is this like a snake? Like a...
Close. It's not a snake, but what's the exact name of it?
You know what? I think I feel like I know what this is, but I just forgot the name.
I'll give you a hint. The first name says Wacky.
Tacky.
No.
Oh. This is
Okay,
so
you
hard.
could open your eyes. You can take it. So it was a wacky track. But I'll give you a point because you said snake. It's kind of the same thing. What do you think it is by feeling it?
Simple dimple.
Simple dimple. Okay. Yeah, you could open. Yeah, so it was a simple dimple, but it has three like the three simple dimple, because usually the normal simple dimple has one. So good job. The next fidget, and let's see if Bella guesses it. So here you go.
Wait, I don't know where. A pocket bracelet.
Yeah, you can open your mask. Yeah, so you got it right. So overall, Bella has she has 5 points because she guessed all the fidgets right. So next fidget. So here you go. Right here.
It's maybe. Wait, is it squishy? Is it
You might know this one.
a squish? A squishy?
What's it called?
It's so tiny, so I don't know. Okay.
So okay, you give up then?
Yeah.
All right, you can open your mask. So it was a mochi. This is a mochi. She said it was squishy. I mean, I guess that counts a little bit. I'll give her like a half point. So this is the next fidget, and I don't know if Bella's gonna get this one, but hopefully she does, because I don't think I ever told her the name of this, but she'll probably get what it is. So here,
Huh?
right here.
Oh no.
Play around with it. Try to think what you think it is. Try to guess the name.
Is
even
it
if
that
you-
green snake that you have that we got from Chuck E. Cheese?
No.
Is it?
And if you don't know, you could just guess a name, but try to remember if you know the name.
Is it a poppet tube?
Nope. I'm gonna give you one more guess
This?
by playing around with it. Any more guesses?
No.
Alright, you can take your mask off. So this is called a tangle. I think I told you, but I think you probably forgot. But this is a tangle. So let's go. This is the next one. I can't make sound because then she'll know what it is. But let's give it to her. Right here.
Yep, fidget spinner.
Alright, take your mask off. And you got it right. So that is 6 points. The next one. Here you go. Oh, let me just show them what it does. Hopefully it's quiet. Okay, here.
Is this the thing that we got from when it was your birthday? Or like, or when we went there again and it had like the popping eyes out?
Well, yeah. But do you know what it is?
No,
It
I don't know.
doesn't have a name. It doesn't have a
the panda bear?
The panda, yep. You will open your mask. The one that
Yeah.
pops his eyes.
The one that pops in the eye, like green.
Next one. Oh, I forgot that there's a green screen background, so you can't really see because this is... But if you guys know what it is, she'll play with it and she'll show you right here.
Top two.
Okay. You could... Yep, you got it right.
Oh, and guys, can I show you what it does?
Yeah, this is green and it goes with the green screen background, so that's why it's showing the color like that. But
Oh, can I show? I want to show. I really want to show you. I like that. This is the homemade balloon thing that you made.
oh, okay. Well, at least she knows. That one was a good easy guess. Here.
I can even put it in my hand. What is that game called again? Like when you the squishy that I got for my birthday.
Okay, what color is it?
Blue, tulip blue.
Oh, okay. You can take your mask off.
Yep, got
Yep,
it right.
So you got it right. It's an Among Us squishy.
Among Us.
Among Us is the next one.
I'm so excited. The red toy that had like the ball in it, and you put it up.
Put it up in your mask.
Yep,
Marble
I got it
and
right.
Mesh. This is called the
Marble
Marble
and
and Mesh.
I never knew that.
But she's kind of good at this because she already knows what all her fidgets were. She knew some of them, but yeah, she got this one right.
Oh, that cube that goes on and forever, and it's pink and blue.
What's the name?
You never
Guess.
told me
You
it.
gotta guess.
Like the
It doesn't matter. You could just guess off what you feel, what you think the name is.
cube.
You said what? Close. What did you say before?
Cube.
Cube. To be honest, I forgot the name of it too.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, but you got it right because you guessed the color and stuff like that. So this is called, what's it called? Dang it. Oh, Infinity Cube. She said cube, so that still counts. Because it's called an Infinity Cube.
Slinky.
Slinky. Which Slinky is it?
Heart. The dark heart one. The dark pink heart
Open your
one.
mask. So you got Slinky right. I'm not gonna take points off not knowing what type it was, but she got Slinky right. So
I guess 2 more fidgets.
this is the next one.
Oh, is this the thing that
You just gotta guess what the fidget is.
strawberry fidget that has a purple charm in it, and it has the.
Yep. Okay, yeah, she got it right.
I got it right.
It's a berry. It's not a strawberry. It's a berry, but like grapes or something. But yeah, this last fidget.
Hope I
You're
get
gonna be
this one
doing this
right. Oh, this is the one that we got from Chuck E. Cheese, and it's purple and it has like that E.
What is it?
I don't know what it's
What
called.
type of squishy?
Like the thing that has bubbles in it, and like.
Okay, you got it right. Yes.
For watching this video, make sure you like and subscribe.